So they say that you live and you learn, like, yeah, she got mess with your head.
Welcome back to
JJ
and
who?
and we are making food right now. But today,
you need a
oh yeah, I need to make food. But today we
I said Lou.
oh
Whatever.
whatever. Today guys, we are going to be doing a video called Squishy Scammer in Real Life, and this is a spoof. This is a spoof, so enjoy.
Next, we have the Sweet Bunny ice cream.
I wish I could
It's
get a
this little
squishy
ice cream
package.
cone. It has little sprinkles on its ears.
It's not like that my mom would let me.
It's super soft and squishy. Like, can we jump?
I mean, it's worth a try. Hey, Mom!
Yes, sweetie.
Can I please get a squishy package?
Sure. You just gotta make sure you put on your glasses and wear your retainer every night.
Well, Mom,
Yes, sweetie.
I lost my retainer.
Oh. I'll go make an appointment with the orthodontist right now.
Okay.
But after I do that, I have to run to the market, okay?
Okay. Okay, what website should I look at? I don't know. Let's search some up. Oh, I can't. Okay, let's see.
Okay, sweetie, your next appointment is next Monday. I'm going to be leaving right now, okay?
Okay. Mom, wait, Mom. That's when I find out my teacher. Seriously, rude. Well, anyways, let's see. Oh, colorfulsquishies.com looks pretty good. Oh, sorry, I said that wrong. It's all in gibberish. Colorful.squishies. That sounds like fun. Wow, there's so much good squishies. Wow. Oh my god. I don't know which one to get. I wish I could just get all of them. That would be good. Well, let's see some more. Which ones do I want to get? Oh my god. These four I totally want. Except for the app. Except for the slime in that one. I only want one slime. I can't believe my mom's even letting me do this. Oh my god, that dog is so cute and so is that. I totally want that. Next I want that. Oh no. Dang it. We loaded everything. Are you serious? Dang it. Where did all the squishies go? Are you kidding me? Now I have to start all over again. I kind of want these. Look it, there's your twin. I'll get another one for you. Don't worry. I kind of want these. I already got that. Oh my god, that cappuccino looks so cute. Dang it, I shut off my iPad. Oh my god, again. Go back. Okay, now I'm going to DM colorful.squishies, I think it was called. Oh no, where did my squishy go? Mom! Oopsie. Oh my god, it landed. Nice shot, Dad. Okay.
I know I'm awesome, run!
Okay, now I want to DM her and show her all the squishies I want. So let's do it. Wow.
Let's see if we got anyone to like our squishies. Why is he turning on?
see if someone
You can comment, subscribe, and like, if you want to.
Yeah,
let's see. Messages. No. That's rude. What if somebody didn't buy your squishies? How would you feel? Huh? Whoa. Whoa, this girl named Jordan. Wow, she wants a lot. Whoa, girl. Okay. I don't even know what to give her. So, look at all these squishies. Oh my God, wait. Oh my God. Oh no. My dad's gonna kill me. Who cares? Let's eat the first squishies. Gonna give her this. I don't want to give her my I Bloom strawberry, so I'll just give her this. I'll give her this. I'll give her this really good tooth. Has no defects at all. No defects. This is so nice. I'll give her some extra packagings. I'll give her this little squishy. Get in the box. Let's see what else. I'm gonna give her like super good ones. I'm gonna give her this really good soccer ball. Like I love that one. I can't believe I'm giving that away. I have to look for really, really good ones. Where are the good ones? Okay, here we have our really good burger. Oh yeah, her really good donut. And that one's really bad. Oh, I would give her this one, but it has so many defects. Okay, she wants that one. I'm gonna give her this these really good squishies. Oh yes, Billy the Whale. This flower one, I don't even know. This chocolate one with the falling off thing. I would die for that one. And then we're gonna give her this super good cake, panda bun, and yeah. I think I gave her a lot, but I'm gonna be really nice, and give her some ranch dressing. And write her a note. What should I say? Oh, I know. I hate you. I hope you get lice. Hope you get lice. Then, your total is, how much? $900. I'm being super nice. I gave her a $1 off. super nice. Now I'm gonna say die. Perfect. I'm gonna go bring this to her now. So the squishy person, whatever his or her name is, they want me to write a review on them. So, yeah. Is anyone at the door yet? Squishy package ever gonna come in? Like, seriously. My squishy package is never gonna come in. Oh, Kaylee. Hello. Hi.
Here's your squishy package.
Thank you.
Bye bye. Oh, I squish fallen. Oink, oink, oink.
Well, okay. Hey guys, welcome back to Treasure and Lou. And I'm thinking I'm actually getting pretty close to saying Lou. And I have no idea where Lou is, but I just got a squishy package. But the woman, she did not look wealthy, not at all.
Hey Jay, are you filming a video?
Yeah,
Oh, can I be in it?
sure.
What are you doing?
I just got a squishy package from this not wealthy woman who has pink hair just like you.
Maybe she went to the same hair salon as me.
Anyways, so this lady, she gave me this to like stir. It's like what it like.
There's something on the back. Guys, it says nice, Lucy, your bae. And then at the bottom it shows the woman's top area and the butt area. Okay, that's not weird at all. And she has very messy handwriting.
Yeah, and then
You need to show me this picture of this girl.
so, like this is that, and then right.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Yeet. Okay, let's move on to the real squishy package.
Okay. First off, this is actually very heavy. Like feel it.
Oh God, it's not even together.
And just
Read the note. Let's read the note.
It didn't. It smells weird. Let's actually this note. I hate you. I hope you get lice.
Let's do it. That's.
I hate you. Well, she looked actually very nice.
Yeah, she looks super nice.
Well, guess what? I hate you too.
Oh, okay. I'll put this in the garbage.
I made him.
Yep, you did.
Okay, now let's read this one. Your total is $900.
What? Mom and Dad are gonna be so mad, Jordan.
I paid my money. $900. Everything on the website said it was only $1. Alyssa, will you go grab my iPad?
Okay, just keep going.
Actually, you know what? You can stay here.
Okay.
But everything literally said $1. Like, you guys saw it. Like, seriously. Your total is $900. And her handwriting is so bad I can barely understand it. Like, I thought this said hotel. Okay, actually, you know what?
Don't rip it up more because we don't want to make a mess. But let's move on. There's one more note. Die. Go die in a hole.
Yeah. Excuse me.
Die.
Die.
Hold it up for a second. No, this way. Hold it this way. No, like this.
You look at me.
No. Okay, now on to the real squishies.
Yeah, this one.
What?
It's stressing. I'm guessing this is poisonous.
I'll try it. Yeah, okay. Let's watch it. It's chunky.
you buy that?
I'll take some. It's chunky blue cheese. Ew. Oh my god, that's
Let's have that. You can put that in the.
I actually think I'm gonna throw one.
That's actually not even ranch.
It's chunk. Oh, it's not.
Listen, now put that inside the fridge, cause
No, we are throwing this away.
yeah, okay. Ew. No, listen, put that in the garbage. Oh, quick.
Okay.
Listen, you actually.
Ew, that was the grossest thing I've ever eaten.
Okay. On to the squishies.
That's
I did not order any of these squishies in this bag. It's so small, like, it is bigger than my head, but like, it's so small. It doesn't even cover up my body. For that, Alyssa,
Yeah.
are you gonna finish the video or?
Mhm.
Then come on.
Getting water.
Wait. Oh my god, guys. What is she doing? What are you doing?
I think soy sauce. Go, let's finish the video.
Yeah, we do. That's cool, just like your arm.
Okay, we have to make the video quick because we don't want them to views. Okay, move on to the squishies.
Yeah, squishy. This is how the squishy looks.
Okay, just do them quick.
Okay, this is the first one I pull out. I mean,
There's
it's
no sprinkles. Look
and
at
it's
look at
super
look at.
defected, and then ow, your knee. Back. I mean, it's pretty squishy. Like, I'm definitely gonna write a no on this.
I'll
So
squish
back
it.
in the bin. God. Hi guys. Okay, so this is a real squishy. Well, it's not a real squishy, but it's like something real. Okay. Is this one. There's pink on the bottom, pink in the front. Ooh, a split. But it's pretty squishy. Half of the face is coming off. I mean, this one's okay.
I'll do one now. Okay, then go quickly.
Is this a flower? This one's not the best. The licensing is like that, and then
Okay, let's go.
okay, it's not even good at switching.
Yeah, it's not. It's a like it has a fast pop up.
That's what it.
This is hard. This is garbage.
Next, I pull out is this one. There's slime stains on it. Oh yeah, and I also got my slime, which I'm very excited about. I only got one slime though. This one's okay. It's really fast, and there's slime stains on it.
Let's hurry this up. No, there's a lot more in there.
Oh God, girl. Like I said, I kind of like this one.
The strawberry's falling off.
Is. I have a strawberry. I'm gonna put this. I'm gonna keep my squishy bin over there so I can just plop them in.
Okay, those squishies are
Pretty bad, I know. That one. Okay, where's the strawberry today? Oh, there's the strawberry.
okay. Moving on.
Okay, now I'm gonna put this one back and I'm gonna relate it to this one. And to this. So this is a real squishy I got from Lou Sells Dumb Squishies. No.
Cheers. Okay, next is ball. This is more like a stress ball. How about we'll do this also. Ouch. You will hold the box and put the box next to you. Put the box next to you. And next you open it up and you get to squish it and then put it in.
Okay, let's go quick.
Next is this.
Look at the tail. Look at the tail.
The
Look at
wheel. This is coming off and the tail is ripped off. I love this squishy. Although it does have a lot of defects on it, but I mean it's so cute and good at squishing. But I didn't even order this.
Ow!
It's just an extra. Next, random packaging.
That's good. Extra
Next, this what a sailboat. I think
It looks like a hat. That's
it's
terrible.
squishy.
Is it cracked? Is it like one of those crack squishies?
Okay, yeah, it's kind of one of those crack squishies. Okay,
Thanks, girl. Thanks. I always got your sail back.
Tiny piece of squishy. An empty box.
Thanks.
Another empty box. Another empty bag.
Oh, thanks.
This is totally a squishy. It's some stuffed animal. Next is bad homemade squishy. Okay, actually, to be honest, this part is very good. This part's very okay, and then this part's not the best.
Super airy.
Wait, let me smell it.
We have to hurry up the video.
I want to smell it. Okay. Okay, next we have this hamburger from Party City, cause this says Party City on the back. See, it's not good. It does not have a tag on it.
It is a fast pop-up.
Yeah, doesn't even smell. Oh my god, that actually smells really good.
No, it doesn't. It smells like baby butts. Like baby poop.
And smells toilet roll.
Maybe because you need to wipe your butt. Is there anything else? Oh yeah, there's.
I'm gonna keep this.
Why are you keeping the toilet paper?
No. Next,
I'd say that toilet paper roll was the best part of this package.
Next, I got this. Pinkie Pie. It's really
Okay, let's try these along. I like this one. This one's cute. It's hard though. It's already affecting.
okay. Just put that. Okay, next. Yeah, this one. I'm guessing this is also really squishy. Is that a face on it? I don't know what this even. Okay, there's a pretty good squishy. It's a pop-up.
Last one.
No, not the last one. We have two. Last line two. This has stains on it. I told the lady that I didn't want this one, and now it's all stained. I mean, it's okay. Smells okay. I saw that.
Okay, last one. Your slime.
Yeah, look at it.
What? You're supposed to get a jumbo, like 10 ounce.
I know, and this is definitely not a 10 ounce slime. I mean, it's kind of like a galaxy. It's a holographic glitter, and it smells okay.
Show them. They can't see.
That looks wrong. And like in real life, it kind of looks a little like dark bluish.
It leaves glitter on your hands.
Snatch. Stop.
Give that back.
It's that. Oh God.
Oh God. I think that did that to me. Like,
Oh,
do you see
wiping
that?
the glitter on here.
Here it is.
Thank you guys for watching this video.
No, we're not done yet.
Why?
Because we need to do that. Fill that sheet out. Lady. Okay, now I'm gonna DM colorful black slushies.
Terrible clutches. Let's watch that. Oh my God,
The ninja guy is cute.
blooper! Oh my God, guys. So I was on. So ready? Do you guys see this yoga ball?
That's
Jordan's yoga ball, and I was sitting in it. Put it over. Blooper.
And it also says happy birthday on the back.
I really wish I could get a squishy package.
And then we have a candy corn donut.
Hey, Mom.
Yes, sweetie.
Can I please get a squishy package?
Sure. You just need to make sure you put your glasses on.
Oh, okay. I don't even know why I have to wear glasses. What website should I look at? Let's see. How about colorful.squishies? That sounds fun. I love colorful squishies.
That was wrong. That was wrong. You have to say, okay, I'm gonna look at this web. I'm gonna search up squishies online and see what comes up. And you just go, well, this website looks good. Colorful squishies. I'm pregnant. Call me.
With
Ready?
Ah. What was that?
No, ready. Ready, wait.
Stop twerking.
I'm not. I'm going like this. Shoot.
No,
Shoot.
you weren't going like that.
I was going like this.
You're pregnant with
No, I'm not. I got your toes.
I get ow, ow.
You ruined my lipstick.
Wow. Just wow. And she also sent me another color of the Pearl Lies Sweet Bunny mascot.
I really wish I could get squishies. Hey, Mom,
Yes, sweetie.
can I please get some squishies?
Sure. I say this.
Retake.